Theo, give them a cup of popcorn. Because they want them to starve.
On a special diet, and any other food will make them sick.
Maxwell, we want a pond like this in our backyard, right?
No.
It'd be nice to have a pond like this in our backyard.
You'll make them sick. Daddy can't read signs. No. You'll make them sick. Don't give them the popcorn.
No.
The kernels will probably kill them.
Fish really want some, but we're not giving them any.